The state championship games are set in 3 classes, and 2 regional final games today proved why these teams have made it this far. We start in Class B South. Number 3 Falmouth at undefeated Marshwood. Falmouth looking for its first regional title. Will pick it up tied at 7 midway through the second. Marshwood's Tommy Springer hurls one over the middle, and Joseph Taryn is there, tearing it up. He walks into the end zone untouched on the 30-yard strike. The Hawks take a 14-7 lead, but Falmouth responds. Jack Bryant rolls out and hits Emilio Macucci 66 yards to the big house, ties it at 14, and this one turned into an instant classic. We'll head to the third. The defense was strong on both sides, too. Falmouth's interception set up this play. Bryant to Michael Simmons. He's tackled at the 1. And then on the very next play, Bryant plunges in to give the Yachtsmen their first lead of the game, 20-14 after a missed extra point. Late in the third, the Hawks answer. Springer drops back and bombs one to Max Horton, 35 yards, and Marshwood takes the 21-20 lead. The Hawks would score again early in the fourth to make it 28-20. Falmouth, though, not giving up. A big drive sets up Bryant. He keeps it himself to tie the game at 28 on the keeper. But Marshwood shows why it went undefeated this season. Connor Caverly rolls out and hits Kyle Glidden on a 60-yard missile. That sets up the Hawks for the game-winning field goal. Max Horton is the guy again. It's his foot this time. He nails it from 23 yards out. 31-28 Hawks. The Yachtsmen try to respond. Bryant flushed out of the pocket. He is strip sacked by Drew Greger. The Hawks win and will play Skowhegan in the state championship. In Class D South, the undefeated Wells Warriors facing Madison once again. A rematch of Week 4 when Wells beat the Bulldogs 25-21. Nolan Potter breaks the silence after a scoreless first quarter and gets the Warriors on the board 7-0. Later, like deja vu, it's Potter again. Takes it and fights his way in, this time from 6 yards out. The Warriors lead 14-0 at the half, but Madison came out swinging in the third on the opening kickoff. A fumble, and the Bulldogs recover. They'll take advantage of the opportunity. A few plays later, Evan Best drops back and slings it to Sean Whalen, and here you go. 47 yards to the house. The Bulldogs trail 14-6. Still in the third now, but Wells adds some pad to its lead. Tyler Bridge takes the rock and falls into the end zone for the 21-6 Warrior lead. The offensive threat's too much for Madison. Potter would score again for 4 touchdowns on the day. Wells wins the Class D South title and will face Foxcroft Academy next Saturday at Fitzpatrick Stadium in Portland. And tonight at 7 o'clock, MCI goes to MDI for the Class C North game.